the judiciary, buying and driving state-of-the-art vehicles and showcasing them in public functions, and then giving a swipe at the members of parliament without due regard to the participatory role that we play in the welfare of this country, Honorable Speaker. So I want to challenge us that this House has teeth that it has refused to put into use. Today, we tabled the budget, the appropriations, budget and appropriations bill. Today, we tabled the public finance bill. The executive expects that you will shepherd the entire process without any hitches. Yet, there is no CDF. How I wish that we can stand our ground the way we did it in Mombasa and say, no budget, no CDF, and no CDF, no budget. And we say, no public finance bill. Of course, I will oppose that finance bill with all my might. But let us come to the realization that this House has what it takes to do what is necessary so that we champion the interest of the people that we represent out there. With those many remarks, I thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Jared Okelo. The Honorable Dr. Eve Obara, the MP for Kapondo Kasipul.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, and I too stand to support the report. Mr. Speaker, I support the sentiments of my colleagues on the role, the important role that CDF has played in our communities. Mr. Speaker, as has been mentioned by almost all the speakers who have spoken this afternoon,